Welcome to my channel, FS Tech Lab. Before you begin, download the ISO from the Microsoft website and burn the ISO image on bootable media. Power on the server and configure storage RAID. Reboot and insert the bootable media. After booting, this screen will appear. Press any key on the keyboard to boot from the media and wait for the setup to load. Select the language and time of your country. Click Next. Click on Install Now button. Select the Windows Server 2012 standard server with a GUI and click Next. On the agreement page, select I accept and click Next. Select the custom installation option. Select the disk to install the operating system and click Next. The operating system installation will be initiated. Once the operating system installation is completed, the system will initiate a reboot. After reboot, the system asks you to change the administrator password. Type in the password and click Finish. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete button on the keyboard. Now type in the password which you entered after reboot of the server and press Enter. As this is the first time you sign into the server will set up new profile and your desktop will appear. Server Manager will open automatically. Click on Local Server to manage the server settings. Here you can change the name of the server, join to a domain, change IP address, change update settings, change the time zone and activate the Windows from a key. That's it for today, let's meet in next video. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.